Hello children, let's start with a new topic of current electricity, and the name of the topic is derivations of drift velocity. The objectives of today's topic are: show that the current flowing in a conductor is given by I equal to NEAV. Derive an expression for relaxation time. Derive the microscopic form of Ohm's law. Now let's start with the topic. Children, here in this picture we can see a conductor which is connected with a cell of potential difference V. Now here we can see the electrons always drift towards the positive terminal of a cell, and the holes or protons are always directed to the negative terminal of the cell. Now let's find the value of current. Students, in this picture you can see a metallic conductor of length L and area of cross section capital A. Let N be the number of free electrons per unit volume and E be the charge of an electron. So, volume of the conductor will be area into length, that is AL, and total number of free electrons will be NAL. Hence, the charge on the free electrons will be Q equal to NAL into E. Here we have used the formula Q equal to Ne, that is quantization of charge. Now let's start with the derivation. Students, we have already done Q equal to NAL into E. Now, the time taken by these free electrons to cross the length of a conductor is given by the formula speed is equal to distance over time. So, time is equal to distance over speed, that is T is equal to L over Vd. Here L is the length of the conductor and the distance travelled by the electrons to reach other terminal of the battery. As you know, the current is given by the formula I equal to Q over T, and Q is NAL into E divided by T. On putting the value of T as L over Vd and on cuttings, we can get the answer I equal to NEAVD. Students, we have derived one relation I equal to NEAVD. Here Vd is the drift velocity. Now students, you all know the current density is given by I over A. On putting the value of I, that is NEAVD, and dividing by A, we will get NEVD. Therefore, J equal to NEVD, that is the current density is given by the relation J equal to NEVD. Now let's derive drift velocity in terms of relaxation time. Students, as you all know, relaxation time is the average time elapsed between two successive collisions of the electrons. Now let's start with the article. Children, you know that drift velocity is the average of velocities of all the electrons. So, it's given by Vd equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 up till Vn over n. And Vd is also written as V equal to U plus At. So, on putting the values, we will get U1 plus U2 up till Un plus A, tau 1 plus tau 2 plus tau 3 up till tau n divided by n. Students, here tau is known as relaxation time. So, on rearranging, we will get Vd is equal to 0 plus At. Here, the average velocity of the electrons, which is written as u1 plus u2 plus u3 up till un divided by n is taken as 0. This velocity is basically the thermal velocity of the electrons and its value is 0 as these electrons are in random motion and hence they do not contribute towards the flow of electric current. So the formula becomes Vd equal to A tau, and here A is given by the formula E capital E over m. So we can say the drift velocity is equal to E capital E over m into tau. Here E tau over m is known as mobility of the electron. Here E is the electric field applied and small e is the electronic charge. M is mass of electron. Now students, let's further start with the article. Electron current is given by the relation I equal to NEA Vd. On putting the value of Vd, we will get I equal to Ne square A tau over m into V over L. Here students, we have taken E as V over L. On rearranging all the quantities, we will get a constant quantity known as rho and its value is given by m over n e square tau. Students, all these quantities are constant, so it's named as rho and hence we have got the value of rho in terms of relaxation time, that is rho equal to m over n e square tau. Children, here rho is resistivity and please take care that while deriving we have no concern with the negative sign. The negative sign just tells us the charge on an electron. Now let's start with another article, microscopic form of Ohm's law. Students, as the electrons move with a very small velocity, that is 10 to the power minus 5 meter per second, their tiny drift velocity superimposes by the applied electric field, and that is why this is known as microscopic form. Students, as you all know, current density J is equal to I over A and drift velocity Vd is E capital E over m into tau. I is equal to NEA Vd. We have inserted the value of Vd from the previous equation. On shifting A towards the denominator, we will get I over A, that is J, equal to Ne square tau over m into E. Here we can see Ne square tau over m are all constant quantities, so they are named by sigma and the formula becomes J equal to sigma E. This is another form of Ohm's law and is known as microscopic form of Ohm's law. Children, I hope you have understood the articles which we have discussed today. Thank you, children.